Discord has added something to the music industry sphere that will actually reinvigorate fan bases and, shall I say, the fan clubs of the early 1960s through the early 2000s. Okay? Check this out. You may think social media is a fan experience, but it's not. It's actually a social experience. And without those fans and supporters, you don't actually have anything, right? You just have a marketing funnel for what it is you do. Now, I've got 5 ways that Discord is going to critically change the music industry and make it a better place for fans to experience the artist beyond Patreon, beyond social media. Coming up right here on the Music Money Makeover Show. Hey everybody, welcome back to the Music Money Makeover Show. My name is Casey Graham. Yes, we're talking about 5 ways Discord will critically change the music industry. I'm not going to ramble too long. We're just going to hop right into the show with number 1. Number 1, Discord reinvigorates the fan club where Patreon doesn't. Check it out. Sites like Patreon and OnlyFans may be a place for exclusive content, links, and ticket offers, but as far as connecting, right, with the fans directly, Discord picks up where the fan club left off in the early 2000s. Like I said in the intro, right? Most artists, nearly 90% of artists, have a disorganized fan base that doesn't allow for a stronger bond between the people who truly support them. Discord can fix that with one account. Now, if you're already on Discord, you know what I mean. You can comment down below. But here we go at number 2. Discord gives you that direct access that social media doesn't. Check it out. In the original fan clubs, you received letters from fans expressing their love and asking if they could join chapters, gaining direct access to you. Well, if the fan club members helped to hang posters before a concert, which is true, they did hang posters before concerts, created chapters in their cities, like if you got big enough, they would really create these chapters for exclusive access, received exclusive merch and exclusive access, well then Discord pours gas on that fire and creates a 4-alarm fire that boosts your engagement to a ridiculous level. Time out. A lot of you all spend time marketing music. I gotta market. But you never pay attention to the people who actually want to speak with you, want to engage with you. Engagement is part of marketing too. And if you don't engage with the fan base, well, then you just won't have an engaged fan base. You'll just have a marketed, made up fan base. Here we go into the next one. Number 3, it's an instant forum for fans. All right. You need a place for your fans to congregate and find each other. This is how fanboys and fangirls find each other, unite, and fight for you even harder. Okay. Just rock with me. It's very difficult to find these people on social media, let alone gather them and organize them. Plus, you can't network in or on other paid subscription platforms besides direct email or possibly text. Discord beats Facebook groups in a landslide victory as well. And I'm only saying that because they offer like way more interaction than a Facebook group would. You could do, at least to my experience, you could do a lot more with it, okay? Let's keep rolling. Paid fan subscriptions. Last week, Discord made an announcement that it would start rolling out paid premium subscriptions to certain servers. Even though they are experimenting with this process, right now it would be a great idea for you to start building your community now. This paid process makes your fan revolution possible now. Okay, tangent time. Yes, Patreon, you can offer exclusive content. I get this. There's so many other platforms that you can offer exclusive content on. What you can't do is you can't offer an exclusive experience via Patreon. Like you could put stuff behind the paywall in Patreon, but when it comes to Discord and them getting direct access to you, yeah, you probably could do live feeds and voice chats and stuff over IG, but then it's not exclusive anymore. It just belongs to everybody. But what about like if you want to have smaller, more intimate conversation that you wouldn't have with millions of people? Well, you make that bubble smaller, you make the interaction time behind the pay gate more, and then you have an intimate experience with your fans. Number 5, exclusive communication. Social media is great for mass communication. So is email, and surprisingly text messaging as well. These are surface level communications modes, okay? Though email and text message allows you to reserve your contacts in case of a server down issue, right? And that's true because that's why I have my email and text numbers, right? And it just offers a little bit more access. Discord enables you to keep your invite codes as exclusive as you'd like, and in the coming future, place them behind a paywall. I get it. I know it's a lot to add to your process. You're already on social media, and it's like, well, what else should I do? A lot of artists don't really offer text numbers or even collect their own emails, which says to me that they're leaving out a whole lot of stuff that's sitting on the table and they're not even collecting it. So if you want to figure out how you can kind of get this system together, you can always book a call down below. Visit musicmoneymakeover.com, right? Book a call with me there and we can go through this thing one-on-one, all right? Download the free stuff below, the Profit Maximization Guide, download the books below, and I'll see you all later. Peace. Hey everybody, thanks for watching the show. Log on to musicmoneymakeover.com/shop to download all my books and free guides. And while you're there, click on the Book a Call tab to get a one-on-one Zoom call with me to get all your music business questions answered and solved. Thanks for watching.